friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is data science, then applications of data science, then job scope in data science, tools used for data science. So first of all, we discuss that is what is data science. So data science is an interdisciplinary field which uses scientific methods, algorithms, statistics, software tools and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. So what is structured data? Those data which are stored in a specific format, that is relational database systems. These are treated as what? As structured data. Oracle database, MySQL database, Excel sheet, those data you are storing, these are known as what? As structured data. So these data are stored in a tabular form, and each field has their specific types, means data types or specific format. But whether for example, that is your student table data, your employee table data, these are known as what? As structured data. So what is unstructured data? Those data which has no specific form or format, these are known as what? Unstructured data. For example, your social media data, whatever comments you are giving, whatever reviews you are giving in your social media sites and your online shopping sites or e-commerce sites, these are known as what? Unstructured data. So the volume of unstructured data are increased day by day. So to manage this kind of data or to analyze this kind of data, data science is required. So what are the applications of data science? What are the applications of data science? So first of all, this is the Venn diagram of data science. Suppose this is data science. So data science is a combination of mathematics and statistics, your computer science or IT, your domains or business knowledge. So in mathematics and statistics, so you should have skills about your calculus, linear algebra, statistics. Then your computer science and IT, there are various tools are used, that is various programming languages are used, that is Python, R. Then your various tools are used, Anaconda, that is TensorFlow, PyTorch, that is Scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, that is Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. So they are the various software tools and programming languages used in computer science and IT. So your computer science and IT and your mathematics and statistics are combined to form machine learning. So what is machine learning? We'll discuss in next video. Then your computer science or IT and business knowledge and your business knowledge or domain knowledge are combined to form software development. So what is domains or business knowledge? Means in data science or data science, you are going to apply in a specific field or business sector, such as healthcare, such as that may be any education sector, that may be any government sector, that may be any agriculture sector, that may be any, that is e-commerce sector, etc. So that is known as what? A business or domain knowledge. Your mathematics and statistics and your business or domain knowledge are combined to form traditional research. So all three are used in data science. Then what are the life cycle or stages of data science? First one is business understanding. Second one is that is data mining. That means you have to gather and scrape data necessary for the project from various data sources. Then data cleaning, then data exploration, then feature engineering, then predictive modeling, then data visualization. So they are the various stages or life cycle of data science. What are the data science applications? Data science is applied in various business domains or in various business sectors, that may be any government sector or private sector. In your e-commerce sector, that is identifying consumers, recommending products, that is analyzing analyzing reviews. Then your manufacturing sector, that is predicting potential problems, monitoring systems, automating manufacturing units, maintenance scheduling, anomaly detection, your data science is used. Then your banking sector, that is fraud detection, credit card modeling or credit risk modeling, customer lifetime value, data science is used. In your healthcare sector, you that is medical image analysis, drug discovery, that is disease detection, bioinformatics, virtual assistants, that is data science is used. In your transport sector, that is self-driving cars, enhanced driving experience, car monitoring system, enhancing the safety of passengers, data science is used. In your finance sector, that is customer segmentation, strategic decision making, algorithm trading, risk analysis, your data science is used. Also in your education sector, in agriculture sector, in your government sector, and other sectors, service sectors, your data science is used. What are the tools or technologies used for data science? So these are some popular tools which are used for data science nowadays. That is Python. Python is a general purpose programming language, that is R is also a programming language used for statistical data analysis. Anaconda is that is a IDE used for development of programs or softwares. Then your NumPy is a data analysis tool, that is Matplotlib for data visualization, C1 is for advanced data visualization, Pandas for data analysis, data cleaning. Then is SQL, that is structured query language used for database communication. That is MySQL is the relational database system, MongoDB is the NoSQL database system, that is Hadoop is the big data framework, that is Apache Spark, that is for another big data framework, that is Scala, then SAS, that is SciPy, that is Tableau for business intelligence tool, that is Talent for ETL tool, that is RapidMiner, that is a data mining tool. This Orange is another data mining tool, that is Scikit-learn for machine learning, then Keras for deep learning, TensorFlow for advanced deep learning, PyTorch for deep learning, then IBM Watson for model deployment. So these are the various tools or technologies used for data science nowadays. So what are the career options in data science? That is business intelligence developer. You can start your career as a business intelligence developer, that is data architect, database administrator, data and analytics manager, data analyst, data scientist, big data engineer, machine learning engineer, that is statistician. Then what are the job scopes, or what are the career in data science? Means what is the average salary of data scientist in India? So the average salary in data science, salary of data scientist in India is, that is above, that is 8 lakhs for annum up to 2 million, and the minimum salary is above, that is 3 lakhs. So this is the all about introduction about data science. Thank you.